How to replace a hot tub flow switch. Now, for this hot tub here, I had to put a tarp around it. It was snowing out. It was really cold. I have a heater underneath it. I'm freezing. Just trying to get this flow switch done. Not every hot tub technician wears sunglasses, flip-flops, and Hawaiian shirts. Hopefully this video helps you out a bit. Just using the heat gun to soften up the pipe a bit. It's a little easier when you take it off, and it's like I said, it's really cold out, so I have to heat up everything so it's easy to, it's a little softer. Make sure that the new one goes in the same way. It's just the arrow direction. You shouldn't have a problem if you just know where the arrow is. I'm just going to heat it up a little bit more just because when I put the clamps on, I want it a little bit soft, so it seals it better, so I don't have to put glue on it. Well, that's how you change a flow switch for a hot tub. Thanks for watching.